YouTubers and fellow Yu-Gi-Oh fanatics. My name's Matt, and although I haven't been in the Yu-Gi-Oh circle for a few years, basically since Link Summoning came out, now that Link Summoning, as rumor has it, is basically dead, along with Pendulum Summonings, which got hit hard with the new rules, I figured I'd try to jump back in it. Now, back when I played forever ago, there were a few cards that were my favorite, and this is more of an intro video. I'm not going to do anything really today, but in future videos I'll be doing card openings and then some of the stronger card reviews as I get back into it and really learn different strategies and get our ultimate goal of winning a regional championship and getting invited to the World Championship qualifier. But with that said, I'm going to go over 3 of my old favorite cards. And I'd like for you guys to comment and review these cards and tell me if you think in the current meta, when all this COVID stuff starts dying down and tournaments start coming back up, will we see some of these older cards that have kind of faded away for years ago? So the first one, he's one of my favorites, and all 3 of these are, but we got Jinzo. Negates all traps. Trap cards and their effects on the field cannot be activated. Negate all trap card effects on the field. I have a holographic one. I should have grabbed it because this one isn't so pretty. It's just a common one. But yeah, what a powerhouse Jinzo used to be. Because trap cards, you had Mirror Force, Magic Jammer, 7 Tools of the Bandit. You know, just all those trap cards are really good. And he just negated all of them. And Ultimate Offering before it was banned. I mean, Jinzo was there. So yeah, in the new meta, I mean, he still takes 1 tribute to come out, but with tokens and other cards, you're able to special summon so fast. I feel like you could still get a 6-star out pretty quick. So I'm thinking Jinzo might be viable. And another big key is he's dark. So he's got the dark type to go with him. So there's a lot of cards that seem to play into dark and light. Next old school favorite, I think some people still use it probably, Acts of Despair. Oh, let me take it out of the case. Let's see. Now, this is original one, MRL, Magic Rulers. So this one's one of the old school classics. Not first edition though. Oh, it is first edition. Yeah, so pretty nice card there. But Acts of Despair used to be a powerhouse. I mean, you could take any 4-star 1800 or 1900 card and boost them up to 2800, 2900. I mean, you're talking about some of the strongest cards in the game were at 3000 attack. And its effect, monster with this card increases attack by 1000 points. But also, when this card is sent from the field to the graveyard, you can offer 1 monster on the field as a tribute to place it back on the top of your deck. So if they destroyed it with like a, I don't know, Mystical Space Typhoon, for example, or even if it was destroyed by battle, you could always bring it back. So Acts of Despair. Let me know what you think. Do you think in the current meta that Acts of Despair could be good? Because paired with Jinzo, that's 3400 attack. But I know in the speed duel worlds, it can be hard to take advantage of it, because other than making a powerful card even more stronger in attack wise, it seems like effects is the name of the game. So I don't think it will be very strong in the current meta, but still one of my favorites. I used to use Archfiend Warrior, Archfiend Soldier, Mad Dog of Darkness, you know, those kind of, Gemini Elf, those kind of cards with 1900 attack were 4 stars, and I'd run 3 Acts of Despairs, and you know, there's instantly at 2900 attack. So just quick, easy to get out powerhouses. Now the last is from Invasion of Chaos. And the card I have is from Invasion of Chaos. And it used to be banned, and now it's back at 3. This card was banned for years. This card was banned probably like 7 or 8 years from play, and now it's at 3. And I don't think anyone's using it, but I think there's a lot of support for it now. You see a lot of them, and yeah, you know who I'm talking about. Blackluster Soldier, Envoy of the Beginning. This one's not first edition, but it is the IOC-025. Yeah, the original. Traded a lot of cards to my cousin to get this, because I saw that card and I was like, why? What will you give me for him? You know, like, I knew this card was going to be a powerhouse. And not only was he a powerhouse, but he was banned for so many years. And now he's at 3. You can run 3 of these. But why was he banned? Well, first off, he was one of the, at the time, he was probably the easiest card to special summon. Send 1 light and 1 dark card from your graveyard, remove from play, and then he special summoned. That's too easy. And then once during each of your turns, you can activate 1 of the following effects. So he has 2 effects, you can only use 1. He's got 3,000 attack, just like Buster Blader. Or, I mean, Blackluster Soldier. Not Buster Blader, sorry. And his effect, his first one, remove 1 monster on the field from play. If you activate this effect, this card cannot attack during this turn. And it could be a set card. So if there's a Man-Eater Bug, one of those flip ones that you didn't want to deal with, boom, remove it from play. No problem. Oh, he's got Blue Eyes, Ultimate White Dragon, Fused or whatever. Remove it from play. Doesn't matter what its attack was. He could take him down. But then his second effect. If this card destroys your opponent's monster as a result of battle, it can attack once again in a row. So if you only have if your opponent only has 1 monster, you're gonna hit him for 3,000 life points as long as he's stronger than that monster. I mean, what a card, and beautiful. What do you guys think in today's meta? Is he gonna be able to make a comeback? They seem to boost him pretty big in Toon Chaos, which are gonna be the packs I'll be opening first in the first video. So that's all I got for now. I'm not going to say I'm a Yu-Gi-Oh expert right now. I'm far from it. Link summoning, I still don't completely, I mean, I think I know the rules on them pretty good, but I'm not going to try to sound like an expert. And, I mean, I was just getting the hang of Pendulum Summon when Link came out. I was running Metal Foes, and I actually went to a regional championship in Louisville, Kentucky, and then another in Knoxville, Tennessee. And I was really just learning how to run Metaphos, or I was also trying to run Magispectors, and before Karen got banned. And yeah, so then Link comes out, and I'm like, wow, I just invested in all these cards, and they just changed the entire game on me. So had to stop for a little bit, but now we're...
It's time to do